What was the Rothschild secret to 19th-century bond issuance? Imagine a time when governments needed to raise money quickly and securely. The Rothschild family seemed to have a special way of doing this that others couldn't match. Their success in issuing bonds during the 1800s was not just luck but a mix of smart strategies and innovative ideas. They started with a new way of designing government bonds. In 1818, they issued a Prussian loan that was different from previous bonds. It was sold in many markets at once and paid interest in the local currency of each market. This reduced the risk for investors who might worry about currency fluctuations. They also included a sinking fund, which meant the government promised to pay back the debt in scheduled parts, making the bonds safer and more transparent. This approach opened up international bond markets to everyday investors, making it easier for governments to borrow money from abroad. The Rothschilds also built a strong network across Europe. They had branches in 5 major cities: Frankfurt, London, Paris, Vienna, and Naples. Each branch was run by one of Mayer Amschel Rothschild's sons. This setup allowed them to sell bonds across borders smoothly and to take advantage of price differences between markets. Their multinational structure gave them a big edge over competitors. They could quickly move money and bonds where the demand was highest. Another secret was their smart use of information. They had agents and contacts all over Europe gathering political and financial news. Since markets were very sensitive to events like wars or revolutions, having quick access to this news helped them manage risks better. They could set bond prices accurately and jump on opportunities before others even knew what was happening. Trust was also key. The Rothschild family built a reputation for honesty and reliability. Their ability to keep business confidential and control their family business made governments and investors feel confident in working with them. This trust helped them secure large deals and maintain their dominance. Finally, they invested in industries like railways, oil, and transportation. These investments boosted economic growth and created more opportunities for bond sales. Their financial power was linked to real economic progress, which made their bonds even more attractive. So, the secret behind their success was a mix of smart bond design, a multinational network, quick access to political and financial news, a reputation for trustworthiness, and strategic investments. All these elements worked together to make the Rothschilds the leaders in bond issuance during the 1800s.